I bought your product because, as you can see, this is my phone, and it has only type C port. So it means the power charging and the earphone is to be inserted in the same slot. Okay, so that's why I bought your dual type C adapter. Okay, thinking that when my battery is almost out, I can charge while I'm talking to somebody on my earphone. Okay, so let me test your product. Okay, so this is my charging power cable. It's connected to the like power source. Okay, so there's no problem with that. So what I'm thinking when I bought your product is I can use both my earphone while I'm charging. So let me try. Okay, so I'll open YouTube. So it means if I play a YouTube video, I can still hear from this earphone. Okay, so right now I'm hearing none. I don't hear any sound here. It's no sound at all. No sound, no sound. Still no sound. No sound. So I don't know if this is really defective, because on other buyers they say it's working. Both are working. So why am I getting this one not working? Okay, so right now let me try only the earphone if it will work. No charge. Okay, so let me try first directly without using your adapter. Okay, see? Okay, so there's a sound. Okay, there's a sound. Okay, so now I'm gonna use your adapter. Okay, so it means there's a icon there. It says that an earphone is inserted, so I'll use now only the earphone. Still no sound. See, no sound. Okay, so I hope you know what you're disputing on your product.
Okay na. Okay na.
So it's either you return or I refund, or you send another that is working.